Unlock your potential today at skillbakery.com.
Now in this one, we'll be learning about chat completions using OpenAI SDK. The first thing that we do is configuring the OpenAI using the credentials that we have saved in our env.local file. After that, we have our instance of OpenAI created using the configuration, and here we have a function. Now this function, as you can see, makes use of the create chat completion method provided by OpenAI, and this kind of takes two parameters. First is the model itself, which is at this point GPT 3.5 Turbo. You can use other models as well as and when they are available. And then we have the messages. Now messages consist of two things, role and content. Role could be either user, system or assistant. Over here we have made use of user role, and then we specify the content. That is basically the question that we are trying to ask. And once we have the response, here you can see that, but of all the choices that it is providing, we are taking the first one, and of that we are extracting out the message and then the content, and that's what we are printing over here. Now if I have to run this in local environment, I can just go ahead and click on this link, which will open up this browser, and here you can see that the response is coming up as there are 8 planets in the solar system. Starting from the closest to the sun, they are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. So that's how easy it is to implement chat completions using OpenAI SDK in Node.js.
If you find the video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.